This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Golf Comfort Line, stock reference number 3986. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by an MPK automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CAVD 4-cylinder 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left power door mirror indicator type. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left taillight, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.